Our team consists of young civil engineers aspiring to take on real world projects in the market and wanting to put our knowledge to good use. We were encouraged to source our own project to develop a beam model. To do that, we searched for an available development site at Hillview Rise and decided to build a mixed development consisting of a residential and commercial space.
We came up with a few of our designs, and afterwards, we did some brainstorming and collaborations to try and pick which design is the best. We then converted our ideas into 3D models using a BIM modeling software called Revit. Throughout the weeks, there has been a progressive development of our model based on various site conditions and requirements while conforming to the BCA regulations. There has also been changes and compromises due to the clashes with other disciplines such as the structural, MEP, and the interior designs. Hence, the overall structure is significantly different from the initial design.
As a structural engineer, I have to plan the placement of columns, beams, and slabs. My structural design has to withstand stresses and pressures imposed through environmental conditions and human use. The placement of the columns would be the most important factor of our model, as it determines how the layout of the model would be on every level, which will affect the interior designer's work as well as the MEP designer.
As an interior designer, I must plan, research, coordinate, and manage this project to obtain a healthy and aesthetically pleasing environment for residents and visitors who use the space. It is necessary for me to understand the needs of the space and its user in order to propose functional and appropriate layouts for each different scenario. I have to select the essential and decorative items such as colors, lighting, and materials that will allow the user to experience optimal comfort.
MEP refers to three general utilities that a building should provide for its occupants, which includes the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. My job as a mechanical engineer is to ensure that all MEP services and connections, such as the ACMV, which stands for Air Conditioning and Mechanical Ventilation system, run smoothly without clashes with other components of the building, such as the architectural and structural components.